Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she
it wasn't intentional.
Please, we're sorry.
Yes.
I want to blow my eye. You will not say, not intentional. I believe so, ma. Hello, Papa.
He's at the balcony making a phone call with my mom.
Yeah.
Good, my mind don't reach girl now.
Aunt, please, when are we going out as you promised?
Yeah.
You pay me.
Sorry, what's wrong? I'm sorry.
Don't they ask me that kind of question again? No. Anytime when you ask me, my eye go they pay me. They make my eye they pay me. The question no good.
Sorry. I'm sorry,
I'm
Auntie.
sorry.
Please stop crying.
You get time?
Yeah, I should. Hold on. Yeah, I think so.
forget her English. Obey what she talk. Forget her English. Obey what she talk. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the streets. As Rosemary, they wise, city people no wise pass out. She know they take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay. Hello, see, whoa. No mind her English. That one go confuse you. Sawa.
Yes,
Follow her rules, okay. Even madam, okay. Follow her rules, okay. Even Auntie Annie, okay. You must follow her rules, okay. Can't you not give her, okay. Whether you like her, okay. You don't like her, okay. You must follow her rules, okay. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the streets. As Rosemary, they wise, city people no wise pass out. She know they take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay. Hello, see, whoa. No mind her English. That one go confuse you. Sawa. Follow her rules, okay. Even madam, okay. Follow her rules, okay. Even Auntie Annie, okay. You must follow her rules, okay. Can't you not give her, okay. Whether you like her, okay. You don't like her, okay. You must follow her rules, okay. Rosemary know the walk, well. Call am for cook, she sabi am. To clean, she sabi. Security call, she sabi am. Well. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Well. Domestic staff, we know her walk. Well. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the streets. As Rosemary, they wise, city people no wise pass out. She know they take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay. Hello, see, whoa. No mind her English. That one go confuse you. Sawa. follow her rules. Okay. Even madam, okay, follow her rules. Okay. Even Auntie Annie, okay, you must follow her rules. Okay. Can't no give her. Okay. Whether you like her, okay, you don't like her, okay, you must follow her rules. Okay. She talk, domestic staff, where no her walk, well. Domestic staff, where no her walk, well. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the streets. As Rosemary, they wise, city people no wise pass out. She know they take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay. Alu see wow. No mind her English. That one go confuse you. Sawa. Follow her rules. Okay. Even madam. Okay. Follow her rules. Okay. Even Auntie Annie. Okay. You must follow her rules. Okay. Can't no give her. Okay. Whether you like her. Okay. You don't like her. Okay. You must follow her rules. Okay. Rosemary, you know the one go walu. Call am for cook. She sabi am. Tokiri, she sabi security. She sabi am walu.
Oh my
Rosemary,
goodness!
special domestic staff. Rosemary, special
Oh, what is you?
It is me. It is me. It is me, Ifeoma. Wait. When did you come back to Nigeria?
Look what I'm saying. Oh, I just got back.
Oh,
How have you been? Look at you. You look good.
Okay, Ifeoma, my classmate.
Yes, of course. This is me.
Check that levels. Check that levels.
Oh, but this is me.
Oh my goodness, you look good, oh.
It's been ages.
Yes. How is your bobo now, your husband?
Please, let's talk about something else.
Eh.
You look great.
Thank you.
Seriously.
Where are you up to now?
I'm just in town. I'm just around the village.
Make I enter car and make AC blow my phone. I didn't be able to.
Somebody's coming.
Confirm.
Opa! Look at this guy.
follow her
Get
rules.
in.
Even madam, follow her rules. Even Auntie Annie, you must follow her rules. Can't no give her. Whether you like her, you don't like her, you must follow her rules.
Flow. My flow.
Chief.
My flow, Mina.
Chief.
Come here. Oh, I missed you.
Missed you too, finally, Chief. I mean, I'm so tired. I really need to take a rest, baby.
You want to take a rest? Now let's go and have crazy fun, baby. Mad fun, baby. Let's go. Go. Crazy fun, baby. Crazy fun, baby. So that you can rest very well. Crazy love, baby.
Yes, Chief.
We are going to have crazy love today, baby.
Fun.
Rosemary. What are you doing in my car?
Okay, I don't know how to enter here. I don't know how to find myself inside this car. I've been there sleep before.
Oh, which devil is
Philo,
this now?
you there, yeah? Hey.
What kind of devil is this?
Okay, no verse, I beg.
Philomena, you know you wanted me to help you to where you can get transport to go and see your husband, yeah? So you can go. As you can see, I can't go again. Huh?
Okay.
Greet your husband for me, oh?
Okay, Chief.
Okay, no verse, I beg. Okay, no verse. I don't know how to enter here. True.
I know. Come.
Sawa. Follow her rules, okay. Even madam, okay. Follow her rules, okay. Even auntie Annie, you must follow her rules, okay.
So I was telling you, Amaka, that my niece is crazy.
Can see.
She is. She's giving my husband a tough moment. Serious tough moment as I'm speaking with you.
Wow. You mean she sneaked into Chief's car and hid herself for real?
She is very crazy. I nearly pee on me when she told me that. Hey, that girl is crazy. Okay, look. I told my husband to get a second wife. Third, fourth, I don't care. Because I know why he's doing all that. He needs a male child. An heir.
Yeah, a typical African man. You know.
But he said he doesn't want to get another wife. He doesn't want to get another woman to come to his home. But he messes around with ladies and now see.
That's so bad.
Honestly.
In this era of STDs and all that.
You can imagine. It's not that I'm trying to poke into his business. I'm doing this for safety.
I know.
You know, all this
Sicknesses here and there.
now that you know,
I understand,
and
man.
my daughters, I want them to be protected. That's all.
You're right. I understand you. You're very correct.
Oh God, I can't keep laughing.
Well,
I can't keep laughing. That girl is crazy. Samaka, please, enough of my husband this, my husband that. Let's talk about business. You said your container landed. So when are you going to offload? Because I can't wait to get new set of jewelry.
oh. Well, it will land in, like, say, 3 weeks' time.
I am leaving you for good. I don't care what they told you about me. What you heard about me is none of my business, is it?
You will regret this. You will regret it. Bet it.
I would rather stay with that woman as a second wife than to stay with you in this poverty-stricken house. This is not marriage. This is suffering, Eze. Suffering! And I am going to live my best life. So stay here and relax in your poverty. Oh? Bye forever!
Philo? Okay, where are you going? Philo? Eze,
leave her, let her go. Let her go. I don't even blame her. I blame myself for bringing this lunatic into this house.
Calm down. See the way you were just shouting, leave her like I was holding her. Guess what, my guy? I said, guess what? Okay, guess who I saw? Oh, you think I'm joking? Okay, see, if you guess correctly, I'll knock you 50 pa. But if you guess wrongly, you'll be the one to give me the 50K.
Imagine. Are you okay? You just saw my wife leaving my house and you're telling me to guess. And I will also come and pay you 50,000. If through Jesus.
I saw Ifoma.
Ifoma? Which Ifoma?
Ifoma. Ifoma, your ex-girlfriend back then in secondary school. The one that gave me love letter to give to you now. I even helped you to read the letter.
No.
You could not
stop
read
that
it.
rubbish. How can you say that you gave me... You are talking Ifoma Obonna.
Confirm.
That one is... You said that one where? But that... I could not read love letter. How can you say... Hey, homie, I couldn't read love letter.
Calm down, man.
Don't let anybody hear that kind of...
Rosemary,
Sir?
why did you hide inside my car? Huh?
Okay, I don't know how to find myself inside your car. Sleep full my eye. I be dey sleep for parlor before. You know, say I work overnight.
So, you didn't see anywhere to go. You didn't see your room. So that your sleep walked you into my car, right?
I don't know. Okay, now someone there they sleep for one person house. If I know, I find myself inside the swimming pool. I can't dey sleep under the water. This sleep just they carry me, they go different places, they carry me go where I no. Okay, I be like say I need deliverance, so.
Yes. I know you do. That same thing that is worrying you, was what made you to lie to me about kidnappers, right?
Ah, me lie. God forbid. Okay, no sabi lie, I no fit try am.
Oh.
No, that kidnapper thing are true.
Look, Rosemary, I know you might be thinking somehow about that lady you saw. There's really nothing. The thing is that she's my wife's ex-chef in the city. So we met here in the village and we just got talking. Just ordinary talking, there's nothing.
I know, I understand.
Yeah, I know you.
She just need where she want rest.
Mm.
Okay, the way all these married women these days, they rest for married men body, the thing they shock me, they don't do too much. Before, I know say na single guess they rest for sugar daddy body. Now, married women don't they take over. Now married women can't they rest for married men body. Hey, now the single girls they don't they vex so they vex say married women don't they collect job from their hand. But don't worry, God will help you. See this temptation, you go overcome am. I know.
But I didn't tell you that she was resting on my body. I only said we met and we talked.
I know. She dey find where she want rest. That make she meet you.
You know that was so let's go.
Rosemary, you know the one go waru. Call am for cook, she sabi am. Tokri no, she sabi. Security call, she sabi am walu. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Forget her English, obey wetin she talk. Forget her English, obey wetin she talk. Domestic staff, we know her walk, walu. Domestic staff, we know her walk, walu. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. Rosemary, action girl. Rosemary, she dey run the street. As Rosemary dey wise, city people know wise pass her. She no dey take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay. Alu, see, wow. No mind her English, that one go confuse you. Sawa, follow her rules, okay. Even madam, okay. Follow her rules, okay. Even Auntie Annie, okay. You must follow her rules, okay. Can't no give it, okay. Whether you like it, okay. You don't like it, okay. You must follow her rules, okay.
We just cheated on our marriages.
I am no longer with him.
What happened?
Yes. We divorced 3 months ago. Easy. Marriage is hell. Especially if you are married to the wrong man. Ikeni is the worst man on earth.
Your parents pushed you to him. Yes, I know.
I tried. I tried everything I could to be a good wife. To be everything to him. But do you know that? Ikeni turned my womb upside down.
How? I don't understand.
He said he's not ready to have kids yet. That there's a particular age and stage he wants to get to before he can start making babies. He made me take all kinds of pills just to prevent pregnancy. To the extent that he had to arrange with his doctor to change the position of my womb behind me. I'll never forgive Ekene. I won't. Ekene beats me. He insults me, insults my family. Ekene cheats with all kinds and all shapes of women. Some days I'll have to sleep at the garage just so he can have space in the house to sleep with numerous women. I just thank God that I had a surgery and my womb is back in good shape. And my greatest happiness is I am back to my father's house alive and not in a casket.
Well, mine is not good either. Philomena has been cheating, sleeping with her former boss.
She was in Lagos, right?
Yes, but she came back home, repented so, claiming that she's in love with me. I never knew she was sleeping with this man. You know, until after our marriage, she confessed and I forgave her. That became a past, you know. But for the past 6 months, Philomena has changed. She just left with a handbag from my house. Well, I'll be fine. No, I'm all right. Well, it's good to see you. You are still looking beautiful. Smashing beauty.
You know, a whole lot of things happen in our lives for certain reasons. I've missed you so much. And it's so good to see you again. My first lover and my best friend.
I missed you too.
Summer. Oh, since you're here.
Yeah. I like him. I think he's a good guy.
Really? That's okay.
Yeah. Summer,
Yeah?
I'm so sorry about yesterday. Shouldn't have done that. It was so wrong of me. Aunt Chidalo was really angry with me. You're my big sis. Shouldn't have laid my hands on you. Aunt Chidalo was so mad at me. She really was, and I didn't like that. Never wanted that to happen. Please. I'm sorry. Okay?
It's okay, sis. I should be the one saying sorry to you for laying my hand on my little baby sister. Okay? I'm sorry. I promise. It will never happen again. You know I love you. Come here. I love you, okay?
I love you more.
It's okay. All right.
I'm gonna be in the kitchen. Chidalo is teaching me how to make African dishes.
Oh.
So I'll catch you later.
All right.
Yeah, see ya!
Make sure you learn something, okay?
Sure.
Yes. It's your birthday. So I decided to come take you out so I can give you a little treat. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's go. I need to give you a treat. And I remember you know how to drive. So you are going to be driving today. Here.
I should drive your car.
Of course, yes. Or don't you want to?
Let's go there.
Yeah, Chief. Chief just drive come out.
Eh?
Uncle, what did they do you now? You way you just start work. No. You don't forget what I tell you. I tell you say anytime Chief won't come, make you give me signal. Not be so I tell you.
I come for kitchen, come find you now, but you know there, and I don't know your room. You never tell where Chief come out, sir.
Hey! You get card for your phone?
Yes.
Okay, give me. Hey.
Hey, Awoka. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm okay. Everything is cool. So, are you done with the book?
Yes.
And I hope you like the love story.
Yes, I like it. It's very
done? You done reading?
Not yet.
Oh, I see.
It's interesting.
Oh, that's okay. Ooh, I love your beard. It's so soft.
Thank you. I will be in my room now. Yes. I'll go inside.
Oh.
Yes.
I hope everything is okay.
Wait. Kidnappers.
What?
Kidnappers.
What? Kidnappers.
They
They
come,
just kidnapped
they
two
come.
families in front.
You know what
Start going now. Yes, sir. Go.
They
They go. Go now.
Okay, go.
Oh, go now.
Rosemary, special domestic staff. Rosemary, special domestic staff. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Forget her English, obey what she talk. Domestic staff, where no her domestic staff, where no her
You don't go.
Rosemary,
go.
action. Rosemary, she run the street. Rosemary, action. Rosemary, she run the street.
Hafa. Indongo.
What's it on?
Injapa.
Correct, guys. So that's too much.
I bet me them settle us now.
Roger.
Shebi na one pass.
Waiting, I won't use one part do.
Hold this one first.
Hold on, do waiting one.
You hold them first. Hold your own.
Baba, give me. Why they give me 1,000?
You don't collect two.
This thing now.
I'll give one or two, but for now, share this 500.
No, I'd bring another one.
Nah, guy, now what for?
Bring another one. Mama,
Take. No only two par remain for here. They go. I can tell Rose say everywhere don't soft. Rose, how far? Chief don't go. Him don't turn back. You go see him now, don't they come back house? That's you know, trust me. You now my G now. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. So how far? Later you go come out, Abi? No problem now. Bring something, come out to correct, babe. Oh yeah, now we'll go see later. Confirm. No be me again. You go there.
When I tell you something, you better listen to me. I told you that he will not come. Huh? Look at his flimsy excuse that he almost ran into kidnappers.
Eh? Kidnappers?
Yes.
In this our kingdom? It's not possible. No, it's not.
Well, that girl has succeeded in poisoning his mind. Our mission has failed.
No way. It cannot happen. It cannot.
Well, I think since she has succeeded in poisoning his mind, he will soon go back to the city.
Mazi, there are other ways to kill a rat. Yes. Let's try that.
Oh, that you make me happy. I'm very glad.
Of what they say, the opposite of what they do. We get people, evildoers, negative thinking everywhere. They cannot be trusted. Everywhere, beware of them. Beware of them. For your own safety. For your own safety, oh, want them beware of them. For your own good, oh. Get all of what I live. Negative thinking. They cannot be trusted. Beware of them. Beware of them. For your own safety. Jai, they are greedy, they are selfish, they are wicked, always want to reap where they did not sow. Always want to reap where they did not sow. They are go diggers, already made seekers, searching who to devour. They want to have it all by themselves, forgetting say God He watches their affair of man. Evildoers everywhere. Evildoers, negative thinkers, they cannot be trusted at all. Beware of them, beware of them. For your own safety, don't give them chance. The opposite of what they say, the opposite of what they do. Wicked people, evildoers, negative thinkers, everywhere. They cannot be trusted everywhere. Beware of them, beware of them. For your own safety. For your own safety, oh, want them beware of them. For your own good, oh, get all of what I live. Negative thinkers, they cannot be trusted. Beware of them, beware of them. For your own safety. Everywhere, evildoers, negative thinkers, they cannot be trusted at all. Beware of them, beware of them. For your own safety, don't give them chance. The opposite of what they say, the opposite of what they do. Wicked people, evildoers, negative thinkers, everywhere. They cannot be trusted everywhere. Beware of them, beware of them. For your own safety, for your own safety, oh, want them beware of them. For your own good, oh.
But Chief,
there are
no kidnappers here.
They cannot be trusted.
Have you made your research? Chief, something is going on here. Something is not just right here. Chief, listen to me. I am getting so pissed off right now. I'm getting pissed off right now. Okay. Okay, you saw two guys running. What next? He reversed back. Did you try to know if they were kidnappers? Did you try to find out if kidnapping is going on here or something? So what am I supposed to do? Chief, listen, I can't just be in this hotel alone all by myself. I will not do it. Just find a way and come. I can't stay here alone.
I said calm down. I just told you that I was almost kidnapped and you are ranting? Ah, come on. Are you this selfish and insensitive? Oh, you want them to kidnap me first? Ah, okay. I now know who you are. Now let me tell you, I will send you money. Go home. Okay? Anytime we may see. But if we cannot, I'll go home anytime I come back, we'll see. Because I don't like this thing you're doing now. So I'm telling you, I was supposed to kidnap. Please, get out of my phone.
Okay. You won't call police?
Did you hear me say that? And if I want to call police, what is it? What do you have? What's wrong with that?
What for? Why you won't call police?
You're asking me what for? Is it your business? Huh? Well, if you want to know, yes, I have to call police. Because I have a project to complete here. And I must complete that project. So I need security.
Okay.
Okay. Always poke nosy. Where you are not called. My friend, get out. Come give me juice.
Okay,
idiot.
Sir.
I get out.
As Rosemary, they wise, city people no wise pass out. She know they take nonsense at all. She believe in work and pay alone.
You are awake.
What are you doing here? How did you get into my bedroom? I'm asking you, how did you get into my matrimonial bed? How? What?
Ah, you were drunk. You were drunk. I was telling you to stop. You overpowered me. Stop what?
Don't tell me that.
Ma, I was saying stop. I was saying stop.
No! Don't tell me that you get out! Get out!
Sorry,
get out! Out! Get out! No. Hey.
You mean Ifoma?
Yes, Uncle. I want to marry her. We are getting married.
Okay. In that case, I will go and see her people. But easy. You know, her ex-husband have to come back to the house to come on.
Yes, Uncle, he has done that.
Oh?
He sent his father. That's what Philmond told me when I was with her yesterday.
Odema. You know we have to be careful. So what about your wife, Philomena?
Philomena, she's no longer my wife. She left this house 2 days ago. No call, no test, and her mother keep defending her.
Are you saying the truth?
I'm telling you.
Listen, you know, any woman that leaves her husband's house by her own self, it is a taboo for her to come back. A very big taboo. In that case, I am solidly behind you. We will go and marry her.
Thank you, Uncle.
I will call 2 of my friends so that we will join hands and go and marry her.
You're a perfect uncle.
Ifeoma Kenacho.
Uncle.
Ifeoma, you are going to marry Ifeoma.
Thank you, Uncle.
It's okay, don't worry.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
No, I'm talking to you. Just keep going. No, I want you.
Please stop.
Why you acting like a child?
Please, I beg you, stop
Can you just calm down?
See, someone might just walk in here.
No,
please.
nobody's coming in, okay? Just, listen to me. Chidala's not around. She went out and my big sis left early as well.
I know, I saw them when they were going.
Listen, Dad is even taking a nap. So nobody's gonna walk in here to see us, okay?
Stop this now. Stop, please, please.
Okay, can you just calm down? Look, this whole house now belongs to us. We can do whatever we want. We can just have a fun.
Yes.
And that's okay.
Yes. Can you just give, okay, can you shift back a little? Please,
No.
now, let me just go.
I just want to have a
Someone
fun time
can-
with you. That's all.
Okay, wait, okay. Okay, fine. I agree. But wait now, wait. See, I agree, but you know that, see, this place is not safe.
Okay, I just want us to do it quickie, just very fast.
Yes, quickie this. Okay, wait, hold on. Look, okay, I like it too.
Really?
So I like it, but see, wait now, I like it. See, you know, you are the daughter of my boss, and you are beautiful. Look, you are so beautiful. but you know, the quickie, I would prefer this place is too exposed. If someone can just, okay, can we go to your room? Your room will be better. Please, let's go and do it in your room.
It's going to take a lot of time to go to my room. Just do it first.
Can you just listen to me? We're going to be safe there. Let's go to your room.
Really?
For quickie, yes.
You want to go to my room with me?
For quickie, yes.
Okay.
You are beautiful.
So you want us to go to the room, right? Shay, what is wrong with him? He just acts like a big bushmeat. Damn. I think I'm making a big mistake. It's crazy.
How dare you? Are you mad? What gave you the guts to tell me that to my face? That you want to have me again? What nonsense! You know what? You are fired. You're fired from this house, from my life, from this family, and I do not want to see you anywhere around this family, my children, in this town, else I will kill you. Now get out! Out! Out!
Before you fire me, I think you need to see this.
Oh my word. Look at! How could you? What have you done?
Hey! I'll show this to your husband. I'll show it to the world.
Wait. Why do you want to blackmail me? This is disaster. I
I don't even know. I didn't even know what happened. Like I said, I was drunk. Why are you doing this?
I will show this to the world. Imagine Chief's face when he gets to see this.
Name your price.
You said?
I love my husband. And I cherish my marriage. I don't want anything to destroy my home. Name your price.
20 million.
What?
Yes, I know you have the money. And in cash, no transfer. 20 million.
Juliet! Juliet! What is it? You look so off-minded.
It's nothing. Trust me.
It's nothing.
Yes.
That look doesn't look like nothing. I know my friend when she's thinking. What is it? You know you can confide in me.
Listen, Amaka. It's not something I can handle. Okay?
You're sure?
Very.
Well, handle it well there. If you need my help, you know I'm always here.
I know. Listen, I'm fine.
Okay. Let me try to believe you.
Yes.
You like it?
I like it so much. Thank you for cooking this food for me.
Oh, you're welcome. I know you love it. Baby, after our marriage, I would like us to relocate to the UK. I mean, we leave this country to the UK. Don't worry about the bills. I'll take care of everything.
Ifoma.
Don't you like the idea? If you don't, I can pause it.
No. I like it. I like the idea.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's fine. It's good to know that you like it. I have already started processing our visa. So everything is going to be out very soon. Like I told you earlier, I run a small African restaurant in the UK. So it would be nice that when we finally become husband and wife, we put our heads together and manage the business as one. How do you see that idea?
Very good idea.
Oh.
Perfect. You remember when you used to share this dream long time ago?
Oh, yes. I remember that. And it's so good to see that our dreams are gradually becoming reality.
Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I miss you all this while.
I've told you I don't have such money. What is it?
And your husband is there to give you everything you want. Yes.
Who sent you to do this? Who? Why do you want to ruin my life? My marriage? Why are you this cruel?
You forced me.
I didn't even know when this happened. I'm in a state of confusion.
You were drunk.
So? And you took pictures? You deliberately want to ruin my life, my marriage, for what? Who are you? I'm asking you. Who sent you to do this?
See.
See what? See what? Oh. Oh my God.
Hello.
Hi, you here?
Yes.
Wasn't expecting you this quick. Sit, please.
I hope all is well.
Yes, why not?
Welcome, ma.
Look at you can go. We'll talk about this later.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
I just heard you shouting just now. Hope all is well.
Oh my God, all is well. You know all this domestic stuff. I sent this boy, this silly thing, to get me tomatoes. You know what he got?
No.
Cucumbers.
Cucumber of all fruits.
Oh, please sit. So, how are you?
I'm fine. Hi, Awonka. How are you?
Hi.
So, my dad will be traveling back to Lagos to see my mom and perhaps return with her.
Okay.
I like you a lot. I know you're probably scared of my dad, but I was just telling him that dad is traveling to Lagos to see mom, right? And we're gonna be here alone, right, Summer?
Yeah. Awonka, my dad wishes to see you.
Okay.
See you later.
All right. Thank you.
I think I like him a lot, but I don't think he likes me. Maybe he's just scared of Dad.
You think he's afraid of our dad?
Yeah, I think so.
Now that Daddy is traveling, you have the chance.
Let's see how it goes. Summer?
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. You know, I'm preparing to go to the city to see your mom.
Yeah.
Where is Rosemary? Rosemary! Chidalu! I am traveling to Lagos and I'll be back by the weekend. I need both of you to take good care of my daughters. Is that understood?
So I no get wahala, they be my sisters now. No shake, anybody will do any where they dey, I go run on streets. You know, see they feel me?
Of course,
no worry, no.
I do.
Put your heart down, nothing is shele.
Okay. Both of you, Soma.
Yes.
Tonto, please. Yes, I'm aware that we have security operatives around, but you have to be careful. But I don't want to take chances. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
So I need you to stay in the compound. Don't go out for any reason.
Yes, Dad.
All right?
Okay.
So I'll see you when I come back by the weekend.
All right, Dad.
Okay, sir.
It's all right.
Safe trip.
I don't think I you now. I follow up. Yes, sir. I sure die.
Soma, you get ready, I want to take you out. Make you go to your papa village.
Oh, that's nice of you, Auntie. But I'm sorry to decline.
I don't understand. No, you they disturb me since say you won't go snap tree, you won't go snap river, you won't snap everywhere. What do you mean you gonna change your mind now?
Yes, but not anymore. I think I love staying in my father's house.
Hey. Oh. Soma, the way you come dey change these days, they surprise me. These days you come dey nice, you come dey friendly. God good though.
You're my auntie, so I have to be nice to you.
Take it easy now. You do like say, you do like village boy.
I'm a village king, Daddy.
You dey package, you say, they look you.
You say what? I said I am pregnant.
For who?
For you, of course. We are going to have a baby.
Awesome baby. Wait. It's like you're mad. No. Let me ask you. It's like you're mad and foolish at the same time. Huh?
Emeka, why?
So after sleeping with all the men in this village, you want to come and tell me that you're pregnant? See, let me tell you. Don't come close to me. Don't even near me or near my house, because if you do, I'll damage your face. I will restructure your face. My design you do of more. Nah, all the current up.
What are you saying?
I think, what am I saying?
You are the love of my
life.
My
love, yeah, but love.
All the love song, Emeka.
Love song. Who sang it for you? Do I look like a musician to you? No, I didn't copy square. I didn't get two face.
Emeka, you have been lying to me.
Listen, go and look for who, you understand who did it, because definitely not me.
Emeka, you are my man. Honey.
Honey, what you
Emeka, wait.
Nah, pregnancy kill you there. Give me to wahala. Don't talk wahala for my head.
Emeka.
Nah.
Emeka.
Sweetheart, I observed that since I came back from the village, you've been acting cold. Why are you doing this to us? Huh? Amaka, Please help me talk to your friend. Yes, I know I've been bad. But I realized my mistake and I've repented. Yes. As a matter of fact, I have blocked the numbers of all my female friends. So I'm back here to focus on my family, particularly my loving wife. So let me talk to her, please.
Juliet. Listen to what your husband has to say. Why don't you want to talk to him?
Because I don't want to talk to him. Not with him.
It is cheerful.
Sweetheart, please. Look, you think I was oblivious of the fact that you planted your niece in my house in the village? Huh? I knew your plan. And she did a good job of it. She ensured that she caged me. She ensured that I didn't do bad things, and I'm happy for it. In fact, it's part of the things that's responsible for my repentance. So right now, I'm home for my family. I want to focus on my family. I am back for my family, for you, sweetheart. Paul, what is going on?
Good day, sir. My name is Detective James from the CID. Officer, my name is Dad. Arrested. What happened? What did I do? What is going on? See, I don't use my full salary, call police for you. If you like, underrate them. Na special squad be this, so no mind in clothes. Hello. What is going on? Is this a really trailer? I tell you, I got my eyes on you. No, I should see for Odale.
What the fuck? How dare you? Holy Moses! Officer, send him! Send him! Hold him! Don't let him get killed. Don't do it. How dare you? My wife! Hi!
See, I've been seeing everything.
Huh?
I did not do it.
I did not do it.
Why? What did I do?
I did not do it.
Look at why did you touch my wife? Now, you will rot in jail. You will take this man away. He will rot in jail. It's yours. Take him away.
Get out!
I said, make his nonsense.
Get out!
Take your nonsense from here. It's yours.
I have been feeling guilty all this while. I was thinking I was guilty of sin. He had been blackmailing me with that for so long. He has been asking me to give him 20 million naira and I was begging him to take 10 million. He refused. Polo warned me. He warned me about his crooked missions and I never knew that he was the one that drugged me. I didn't know who to tell or how to go about it. Oh, Juliet. Juliet. Why didn't you say anything? Why? We would have had him arrested a long time ago. Why? You kept us all in the dark. Your weird dying in silence and I didn't know. What do you have me do, Amaka? I was so shocked.
When he showed me the clips, I was in a state of confusion, thinking how I would do such a thing. He said I was drunk that day. All my life, I have never slept with another man. No matter what Chief has been doing, I was so scared of losing my marriage. Trying to keep everything intact no matter what, but when this came, it was so shocking. I was thinking how to go about it because I don't know who to discuss this with.
You didn't trust me enough to confide in me.
I don't even know what I was doing again. I don't even know who to tell. I can't explain it to anyone. How did I get in my matrimonial bed with Jeff?
It's okay, it's okay.
In my house.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's my fault. It's my fault, I'm sorry. It's okay, I will cry too, I will cry. It's okay.
I need to be left alone.
It's all my fault. Paul.
Sir?
Come here. Thank you so much. Thank you for saving my marriage for me. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You said you have 2 sisters, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take care of their responsibilities.
Hey.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. On top of that, I am doubling your salary.
Joe!
Effective immediately, and
Shut down.
I'll give you the sum of 1 million. Okay?
For me?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you, sir.
Continue to be good, okay?
I will.
Amaka,
Sir.
let me see my wife.
It's okay, Chief. It's okay. Jesus. Amaka. You were dying in silence and I didn't know. Juliet. You were dying in silence and I didn't know.
Anna, what's going on?
I am trying to call someone. Please, just hold on.
Well, this is what you have been saying for the past 10 minutes and it's not connecting.
It's network. Can you check back later? I'm sure it's network.
Ma, your bill is going up and if I leave this place, I'll be forced to call the police on
No,
you.
no. Manager, I never reach like that now. Why the embarrassment? I'll pay you. I've sent him a message and I'm sure he's going to reply it soon. Please. Obiko, just have patience with me, yeah? I beg. You can settle it, just have patience with me, yeah? Yeah? Hey! Jesus Christ. Blood of Jesus, I am finished. Hey! Chief, don't finish me, oh. Chief has blocked my number. Chief has blocked my number. Hey! Lord of Jesus, Lord of Jesus, Lord of Jesus. Philomena, calm down. Relax. There's a way out.
Oh, forget up, wake up. I won't lock everywhere, go sleep. On night don't reach. Come they go house. Get up, put your eye fast. Get up. Come they go. Wine.
no come dey feel my legs. I no even, I no fit stand up. See, I beg. I go sleep here tomorrow morning. I go.
The Chris. Go ahead, where? Which tomorrow? Oga, go stand up, come dey go. Now today they drink wine for this house. I mean, you get plan. No, tell me you get plan.
Na bad thing make her sleep here.
Na bad thing, no. Come stand up, come dey go. I beg. What be this?
See, I no dey wait. I no dey. See, if like say something bad happen to me, I no fit go this night. No be leg I go use work. I go. Tomorrow morning I go now.
Ofo, not vex me. Warn yourself. Oh. Which kind of matter be this? Eh? I don't like this kind of thing, no.
See, you want make something bad happen to me? Eh? Make her sleep here and night don't come. Tomorrow morning I go. I no fit stand. Or you carry me for back now.
Ofo, you think say you smart? Matter, you smart past you. You see that thing where they your mind? I smart past you. You don't know.
I don't know the dirty thing where you carry for mind though. I just want sleep. Oh, tomorrow morning I go.
I beg, come they go. I beg, I don't get time for you. Come they go. Make a lock door. Ah,
night never come. Tomorrow morning I go.
No. Come they go.
Oh, you escort me now.
I know they escort you. Come they go. Come go now. Which can't be this? Get up now. Which can't be this?
Which kind of dirty mind way get like this? Leave me man sleep now.
Come
Tomorrow morning. Wetin be this for my leg? Rosemary, wake up. Wetin change dey do for my leg? Huh?
You know, sister, I shame my hands too.
Wetin chain dey find for my leg? You no concern me if you chain your life, joy. Wetin chain dey do for my leg?
Oh, Fabian, no stress me. Wetin make you wake me? Wetin you want?
Abeg, I wan go peace. Remove this chain.
No, go pee.
You wan follow me go peace? When this one starts now? When you begin lose guard, abeg, remove this chain from my leg.
Yeah. I take go beg, you no stress me. Abeg, sleep full my eyes. Oh. Come and go show you where you go peace. I go stand for door. What concern the peace where you dey peace?
I no be your dog. Remove this chain from my leg.
I know so you don't be dog. Now make sure you no dey your neck. For see, I don't get strength to argue at all. I beg. You go peace, you no go peace.
Which kind of be this?
No be me you go put for trouble. Oh. Can't go as just now. You say you no go feel go. Say you need to feel your leg. Now all of a sudden you don't dey feel your legs. I better go carry your feeling legs. Make I go show you where you go peace. Oh, they go get up. Get up now, manage stand up. You go feel walker. Get up, stand up.
Evildoers, negative thinkers, cannot be trusted at all. Beware of them for your own safety. Don't give them chance. The opposite of what they say, the opposite of what they do. Wicked people, evildoers, negative thinkers, everywhere, cannot be trusted. Everywhere, beware of them for your own safety.
Good night, my guy. If you want to wake up peace again, just shake the chain or wake up.
So now because of your anti-children, you chain me like dog. Maybe so.
Awful. You know, since I chain my hands to sleep. Now who you won't give belly?
Before he don't suffer.
See, make I tell you, these girls don't know anything. They're innocent. If any man just smile for them, they go think say the man they in love with them. Fiam, something will happen, they will carry belly. You know these obodo Igbo children, get as they think. If they see African man, they go be like say their brain turn upside down. See your phone. As far as say you day here and they day this house, I no go take this night for granted.
Onwuka no be ma. You don't chain Onwuka like this.
Hey, me and you know what they do Onwuka now. If I not make me give and that Gateman work, leave you. Because I know say nothing concern I'm concerned woman.
Your mind they tell you say, me or for go lose guard where your auntie children dey. No wahala na.
Or for sleep. Tomorrow you go day all right. The night still long. Bye bye.
Opposite of what they do, we get people, evildoers, negative thinking everywhere, they cannot be trusted everywhere. Beware of them, oh, unsafety. For your own safety, oh, and them beware of them.
Listen to me. You should know by now that what you've been doing is wrong. Okay? So I've come back to my wife. Advise you go back to your husband. Ah, come on. Look, don't talk like that to me. You know, this is not those days that you talk to me anyhow. I am back to my wife. You should go back to your husband. Good. Now give the phone to the manager. Manager, please, I have nothing to do with her bills. Okay? Tell her to pay her bills. And don't call my number again. Okay?
How could you?
What are you talking about?
This is totally unacceptable. You can't treat a lady like that.
Are you the one saying this?
Yes, of course I am. You need to settle the bill. Behave like a gentleman that you are.
Come on. No, I won't do that. You don't know what is happening. Look, do you know what this girl has done to you and now you are supporting her?
Excuse me. I don't care.
You don't care?
What I care about is my family. Your name is at stake. I want you to settle that bills because if you don't, I'm going to find out the place and settle it.
Like seriously?
I wouldn't want anyone to drag you.
Please, let's go. Let's go. I am not doing that.
You will do it. You need to settle that bills.
It's all right. I'll do it in the car.
So Oga don dey waka now with police. God, I thank you for the sense wey you give me. Chef Lugard, I tell you, your body go tell you for prison. I don't even know whether that guy na chef sef. No go shit.
I will hold your phone. You can go and look for our money, but if you cannot bring it, fine.
Oga manager, it never reached like that. See, I'll come back. You get my name and my face for your system. There is nowhere on earth that I'll run away from coming back to pay this money. Eh? Okay, to show you how serious I am, take my wig. This wig I bought it 300,000. Just collect and give me back the phone, I beg.
No, ma. I think this phone will be better. I'm sorry, we are not negotiating anything. You know your bill. We'll be expecting you.
Hey! Jesus Christ, Jesus, I'm finished. Chief has finished me. Hey, Philomena. Hey. See, this iPhone, Hey, this iPhone now, everything what I get for this life, I beg. Are you scolding me? I beg. No vex, I beg. Just see my ring, collect them. 300,000, no, now I buy them. I beg. Just carry them, I beg.
Yes. I'll just pick yes, I will pick the fights now and I'll start coming. Yes, I will soon be on my way.
Is it you I just saw coming down from that car? Why are you looking this rich? Is it? What happened?
You left this house for almost 5 days to where I don't know. And you're just coming back to ask me about the car. Huh?
No. Hold on, Mazda. I was in my mother's place. I didn't go anywhere. I'm sorry, Eze.
You can be in the zoo.
Eze. Hey! This is my husband. Or another Eze. Philomena, you've shot yourself by yourself. Chief. Hey. Chief, God will punish you. God will punish you for me, Chief. It will never be well. It can never be well with you. Hey!
Yeah, it is. Can you imagine? What's it doing?
Please. Hey. Go down. Go down. Please don't kill me. Go down. Hey. Chief, come here. Come here. See. What did I do? Hold it. Go down. Who are you? Come on, like that. Come on, go down. Who are you? Hold it. Hold it. It's horrible. Thank you. Hey. Hold on.
That's it. Dad, take it away from him.
Hold on. Yes, Commissioner. Please send your boys, eh? Yes, my house in the village. And one criminal is here. He's armed. Okay, thank you. I just...
Mazda, please. You need to come with your brother, please. I need your help, please. Come with your brother, please. This source is here. Please, I don't want to be a widow. I don't want to lose my husband, please. I'm begging you. Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You. Oh, fast! It has happened. Fast, let us go and see for ourselves. It has happened. We are rich, yo. Yes, we are rich. Yes. He thought he would escape us. Let's go and put him in the mortuary immediately. Direct entry. Let's go. Yeah. Again.
Where you go? Officer!
Now, officers, this is the main criminal. These ones are supposed to be my brothers, so
but they are equally criminals.
Yes.
So take them away. Yes. They'll be locked up. Idiots.
Take them.
Take it.
You are under arrest for the offense of conspiracy, attempted murder, and other related offenses. For your own good, I advise you remain silent and cooperate with us. For whatever you say or do now will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move in.
Take
Oh yeah,
these people
move.
away. Wicked uncles.
Move.
Wicked uncles.
Move. I said move.
You want to be your brother?
I said move. Continue moving. Move.
You wouldn't listen.
Attention.
What is your attention? Go, doctor. Go.
Let us carry him now.
Philomena. Eze and his people have collected the bride price they paid on your head. You have no excuses because you bargained for that. And you know it. You and your mother bargained for that. Eh? How can you just leave your husband's house and decide to live in a hotel with another man?
Oh God. I didn't stay in a hotel with any man, no. I wasn't in a hotel with any man.
Shut up! How dare you lie before me?
I wasn't with any man at all. I was just alone.
You were with a woman in the hotel. Now listen to me now. The truth is that even that man you call chief, they all know that your veracity is in doubt. He won't even take you as his second wife. Because he knows that you are greedy. I've always warned you severally that you can never know the value of what you have until you lose it to what you can never have. That is the matter. Huh? You said with your mother that you are tired of you can no longer live with a wretched man, a poor man like Eze. And the man has come with his people to collect their bride price. You are now, as far as we're concerned, you are now a free girl, free woman. You are not married, you are single. That's what it means. So you sold your heart to going to live with another man. At the same time, you shamelessly accepted the fact that you are wayward by doing that.
Uncle, please. That's why I'm here, because Uncle, please help me talk to Eze, please. I know he can do so. You can do something. He will accept me back, please, Uncle. Biko, help me talk to Eze, Biko. Ew.
Now listen to me.
Aye.
Do you know you are stupid? You and your mother, very stupid people. Very stupid set of people.
Aye.
What do you think within yourself? You would think that by all this drama, that man will sack his wife and marry you. Now let me tell you, he can never make you even his second wife because he has seen infidelity in you. He has seen that if anything happens to him today and his money happens to finish, you will pick another man, you will pack to live with another man, and you will pack to another man. You know that you are greedy and not dependable enough. How do you start approaching this? Eh? So you better do what? Stop disturbing me. Carry your cross.
Uncle, please, I know you can help me beg Eze, because no.
Let me tell you this. How I wish your father were to be alive. He would have done what I'm doing now. He would have even done worse than me.
Uncle,
Nonsense.
Please, no.
I cannot watch you.
Hey! Neka. Ne, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ah.
Why are you looking at me like that?
What happened?
So, you have not heard?
Heard what?
Ha, akamasi kwa. Akamasi. My dear, I'm just coming back from my maternal home. Now.
Guess what? What?
the latest news in town. Onwuka is getting married to a billionaire's daughter. Hey, you know, India, I heard that it was Rosemary that employed him as a gateman. Ordinary gateman. Oh, before you know it, oh, Koya. Onwuka impregnated the billionaire's daughter. That is all. And as I'm talking to you right now, they are getting married very soon. Sooner or later.
Wait. Which Onwuka are you talking about? Because the one I know is a woman right now. Which Onwuka?
My dear, your own Onwuka, of course. Or is there no other Onwuka that you know that I don't know? The one that fell from the pantry because of you. For your sake. Yes.
How? That's not possible. As far as I know, Onwuka is a woman as we speak. He cannot do that. No, it's not possible. What are you saying? Please tell me something else.
My dear, miracle they say, you know they ever tire Jesus. They abandon Onwuka. He soon become an in-law to a billionaire in my maternal home. Hey!
It shock you?
How? Life na teacher. So, continue to follow those Lola. Anything you see way down that trouser, you won't follow.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Continue. See your life keep you.
If you insult me again, I will beat you. I will. Onwuka impregnate someone. How? Hey! How? It's not possible. Oh my goodness. Yeah, of course I am.
What?
Isenna, peace of the Lord be unto this house.
Please, what do you want?
Isenna, the Bible says, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please, forgive me. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I've put you through.
Well, I've forgiven you. Yes, from the depth of my heart, I've forgiven you. But I'm moving on with my love here.
Love? Isn't a place. I am very sorry. Please, it was actually the devil.
Wait, Philomena, please, just wait. Hold on there. So, because Chief Nicholas have deserted you, now you're back crawling like a chicken. You think we don't know the story? Oh, come on, Philo. We had everything. We had every bit of the story. Everything that happened. We have all the record. We had everything. Philo, you suddenly just appeared here like an uninvited masquerade with a Bible as an Virgin Mary of our time, begging for forgiveness. Oh, come on, Philomena.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? After sleeping with my father, a married man for that matter. And you're here now.
No, it was actually the devil's work. Please, I'm sorry. It's a Nabiko.
Devil. That's what he always say.
The devil always takes the fall, right?
Yeah.
Just because he stopped favoring you, right? Please. My love, can we leave here?
Oh, yes, please, let's darling. Baby. Stay home. My love.
Onwuka?
Yes, baby.
Who is she?
His first love. He didn't tell you.
What?
His baby.
Excuse me, baby. I don't know. I've not actually met this face before.
Oh, it's me, your sugar.
Please, can we just
Sugar?
Baby.
Hello, baby.
Wait, who is the sugar? Don't touch my baby.
Please, lock the door very well.
It was the devil. The devil was
Don't touch Onwuka.
champion.
Oh Jesus! Oh, the devil was using me that the devil used me over time. Oh, I'm sorry, oh,
Don't look down on people. Don't write anyone off.
Oh, baby!
'Cause no money's an island. No money's an island.
Hey!
Don't look down on people. Don't write anyone off. 'Cause no money's an island. No money's an island. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. 'Cause no money's an island. Be patient with one another. Everyone can be useful at some point in time. Remember, say, miracle not entire Jesus. Miracle not entire Jesus. Some things are better not to say, 'cause life goes on as things happen. Miracle not entire.